Gantry robotic welding station, developed by unmatched technology. This large-scale automated welding system enables multi-robot welding in overhead inverted positions. It boosts welding efficiency through multi-axis synchronization, high repeatability positioning, and servo motors with backlash-free reducers. Gantry robots, also known as truss robots, are automatically controlled, reprogrammable, multi-degree of freedom automation devices suitable for diverse tasks. They are capable of handling objects, performing assembly, cutting, and welding operations, among other functions. Characteristics of Gantry-type automatic welding robots: high repeat positioning accuracy, easy and efficient programming, stable welding quality, high welding efficiency, widely used in industries such as construction machinery manufacturing, mining equipment manufacturing, power equipment manufacturing, shipbuilding, and automotive manufacturing.